Hey guys, my name is Kara. Thank you for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of New Hampshire. So click the link in the description below. I'm basically going to do like a walkthrough tutorial. So I'm going to show you on my computer screen at the same time you're doing it on yours. And all within about 5 minutes of this video, you're going to have your LLC filed. So again, click the link in the description or the pinned comment below, and let's just get right into it. All right, so the link is going to take you to the Tailor Brands website, and we're going to start by clicking New Hampshire. And then you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available. So for me, I do eyelash extensions. So I'm going to type in my name. And you can just hit, for this part, you're just going to click, are you already in business, or just an idea, wherever you're at the moment. Okay, and as far as an industry that you're in, you may fall into a couple different categories, or maybe you're not exactly sure which one you fall into best. But you can see as you start to type in a letter, like for me, I'm doing eyelashes, and I type in E, and like thousands of options come up, and it gets really specific. So you can just start to type something in, and you see right here, eyelash extensions, so I'm going to do that. And what is it that you're selling? You're either selling a physical good or a service. If you're selling something that's not one of those two, you can type it down here, but I can't even think of anything that doesn't fall into one of these categories. So for me, I'm providing a service, but let's just say I was also selling like, I don't know, some sort of product as well. I can select both options for this. And are you planning to hire employees? Now for this part, let's say you don't have employees and then you file your LLC and you decide after, you do want employees. That's totally fine. It's not going to affect or change your filing. So just select wherever you're at the moment. Okay, now you're going to type in your zip code. And then where are you serving your customers? So you're either selling online at a shop or store, or you're on the go. So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, I'm on the go. But I can select as many as I want here. So if I had a website, I can do that too. Or if you have a shop or a store, you can select this one also. All right, and this is just asking what you've done already, so we can skip this part. And you heard about Tailor Brands through YouTube, so just click YouTube. Where is it? There we go. All right, and Tailor Brands is offering a free 12-week coaching program. I love to select yes for this one just because I feel like it's something free. If I can learn something to help me make more money, amazing, like great. So if you want to take that free course, you can click this here. If you don't, you can click no thanks. And then you're just going to enter your personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, and this is asking, would you like Tailor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or do you want to do it yourself? So I love that Tailor Brands can do it for me. If you want to get your EIN number on your own, you can, but you have to go through the IRS website, and the IRS doesn't, you can't do anything during the weekends. It's weekdays only. And especially if you've never filed your EIN number before, it just leaves room for error. And I feel like it's one less thing I have to worry about if I can just have Tailor Brands do it for me. So if you're planning to get your EIN number at some point, and you might as well just get it through Tailor Brands. It's only $99. And to me, I feel like it's worth it. But if you want to get it on your own, you can always select this option here too. And as far as being a registered agent in New Hampshire, so if you're just opening your business, or you live in the state that you're opening your LLC, you are more than likely your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in New Hampshire and you're opening an LLC, or maybe your accountant tells you otherwise, then you would need to appoint a registered agent that lives in the state. And if you're really not sure and you just want some more clarity, Tailor Brands can help you figure it out for $199. But like I mentioned, you are more than likely your own registered agent, and there's no need to pay for extra if you're filing it in the state and you live in the state. So you can just select this option here. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, and every single year, your LLC needs to be renewed. So if you don't renew it, you'll have to refile it. It costs more money, and it's just a headache and a mess that you don't want to have to worry about. So if you're afraid you might forget, or you're just busy and, you want one less thing to worry about, Tailor Brands can renew it for you every year for $199. I am going to try to save some money, so I'll just be handling the compliance on my own. And would you like a professional branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. Okay, and this is just asking, would you like your LLC expedited to you in 2 days? Again, I feel like it's worth it. It's only $49. I can get the LLC in 2 days, and that way I can get my business started as soon as possible. Now, if you are not in a rush and you have a little bit of time, they'll get it to you in 2 weeks, and you won't have to pay that extra $49. But for me, I just feel like I want it as soon as possible. So I'm going to select this option. Okay, and you guys, you don't need to worry about an operating agreement, so just click, I'll figure it out myself. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. And this is an amazing service that Tailor Brands offers. So, if let's say you just started your business and you don't really have a system set up yet for, how you're organizing your money and your invoices, your bookkeeping, or maybe you have a system set up and it's just not cutting it anymore, like maybe your business has grown and you just don't feel as organized, they can help set you up for so you know where every single cent is going in your business, and everything will be super organized. I don't know the total cost at the end, but they give you a free trial, and then at the end they'll tell you the price. For me, I have a small business, so I'm just going to be managing the books and invoices myself. And yes, we would like to get notified about our LLC. And then you guys, as far as a plan, for just the LLC and the EIN number today, we can just click this light plan here, so we don't need to pay anything extra. And now it's going to give us the breakdown of what we're paying for. So the New Hampshire state filing fee is $107. That's just the mandated state fee. So let's say you open 5 more businesses this year, you'll have to pay $107 for each of those businesses. We're getting the free coaching program. And then we're paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing. All of this, you don't have to pay for that. It's not highlighted. And then today you'll be charged for this top part here. Once your LLC goes through, then you'll be charged for your EIN number. So you'll only have to pay that top part for today. Okay, so now you're going to fill out your credit card information. After that, it's going to ask some basic info like name and address and things like that. So that's literally it. You have just filed your LLC and your EIN number. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer. And I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you in the next one.